Block wall house by Nendo in Karuizawa, Japan. A private residence in Karuizawa, Nagano. Situated along the road lies the distinctive triangular property extending 110 m in length. A creative solution was essential in securing privacy from passing traffic and pedestrians while acting as a foil for basking in the natural surroundings. The approach was to design concrete block walls that would serve as filter screens. The line of sight is orchestrated by adjusting the angles of each block, fine-tuned by overlapping 2 rows of blocks in some places. In areas with a single row, the view is set in one direction. With 2 rows overlapping, the view on the other side is visible only when the block angles in the front and back rows align. Otherwise, the view is obstructed. The material used for the blocks is CO2 suicom, which is made by replacing a portion of cement with an industrial byproduct and adding a carbon dioxide absorbing material for less CO2 emissions during production. Approximately 2,050 blocks are staggered in parallel rows to create 3 m high walls. The living space is designed to fill in the gaps in between. Calibrating the block angles by 3 degrees to fit each room condition ensures privacy in the bedroom and bathroom, while also providing a spacious ambience in the living and dining rooms. Ultimately, the design transpires into blocks arranged in a gradient-like pattern. CO2 suicom, CO2 storage and utilization for infrastructure by concrete materials. With CO2 suicom, over half the cement is replaced with a more environmentally friendly substitute, allowing us to greatly reduce the amount of CO2 produced from manufacturing the concrete. In fact, the substitute hardens by capturing CO2 in the air, essentially putting the total CO2 emissions from manufacturing the concrete at net zero or less. CO2 suicom, jointly developed by Kojima, the Chugoku Electric Power Company, Denka, and Landis Company, is the world's first carbon-capturing concrete.